Hello everyone, welcome to my video tutorial on how to use more than 3 indicators for free on TradingView platform. And in this tutorial I will show you a clever workaround to overcome the 3 indicator limit and make the most out of TradingView's powerful indicator features. Before we dive into the workaround, let's quickly go over the indicator feature on TradingView. Indicators are powerful tools that help us analyze price data and make informed trading decisions. However, the free version of TradingView restricts us to use only 3 indicators on a single chart. But don't worry, I'll show you how to work around this limitation. There are 2 methods to achieve this. First method, by using Split Tabs extension. One way to use more than 3 indicators on TradingView for free is by utilizing Split Tabs extension. These extensions allow you to split your browser window into multiple tabs, each displaying a different chart in its own set of 3 indicators. To implement this method, you will need a Split Tabs extension installed on your browser. There are various extensions available such as Tab Resize for Chrome or Tile Tabs for Firefox, etc. Install the extension of your choice. Once the extension is installed, open the TradingView platform in your browser and log into your account. Choose the chart you want to work with. Activate the Split Tabs extension by clicking on its icon in your browser toolbar or using the designated keyboard shortcut. The Split Tab extension will allow you to split your browser window into multiple tabs. You can split it vertically or horizontally depending on your preference. After splitting the window, each tab will function as an independent chart. Open additional tabs as needed to accommodate the number of indicators you want to use. In each tab, you can add up to 3 indicators, staying with TradingView's limit. Customize the indicators and their settings according to your trading strategy. Arrange the tabs on your screen to have a clear view of each chart and its corresponding indicators. You can resize and position the tabs to suit your preference. Method 2. By using ChatGPT. First, go to the TradingView website and navigate to the indicator section. You can find it under the chart tab. Browse through the available indicators and find the ones you want to merge. Click on the indicator to open its details. In the indicator details, you will find the source code section. Copy the entire code by selecting it and using the appropriate copy command. Open the code editor or any text editor of your choice. You can use software like Notepad++, Sublime Text, or even the built-in text editor on your operating system. Create a new file, paste the copied code into the file. Repeat steps 2 to 4 for the remaining indicators you want to merge. Each indicator's source code should be copied and pasted into separate sections of the same file. Now that you have all the indicators source code in one file, it's time to use ChatGPT to merge them. Open a web browser and navigate to ChatGPT. In the ChatGPT interface, you can start a conversation with the model, introduce yourself and explain that you want to merge the source code of 3 indicators into one. Provide the model with the source code sections you copied for each indicator. Start by sharing the first section and ask the model to help you merge it with the other 2. Engage in a conversation with the model asking for its suggestion and guidance on merging the code sections. Take the suggestions provided by the model and implement them in your code editor. Make the necessary modifications and combine the code sections according to the model's guidance. Once you have merged the code based on the model's suggestion, copy the code. Now you can go back to TradingView platform and open PineScript. Paste the copied code here and save. Click on the Add to Charts. Customize the settings of the merged indicator to suit your preferences and trading strategy. You can adjust parameters, colors, and other visual elements. Before we conclude, here are some tips and considerations for merging indicators using ChatGPT and creating custom trading tools. If you encounter issues with compiling your code, saving the file, adding a chart fails, check for any syntax errors, missing elements, or improper formatting here. Copy the errors and paste it in ChatGPT as it is. Copy the code and repeat the process again until you get 0 error. Before we wrap up, let me share some tips and best practices to help you make the most out of using multiple indicators on TradingView. Avoid overcrowding your chart with too many indicators. Use only the indicators that are relevant to your trading strategy. Experiment with different indicator combinations to find out what works best for you. Not all indicators will be useful in every market condition. Take advantage of TradingView's extensive library of indicators. explore and learn about new indicators that can enhance your trading analysis. Remember to consider other factors like price action, support and resistance level, and market sentiment in conjugation with your indicators for a holistic trading approach. That's it for this tutorial on using more than 3 indicators for free on the TradingView platform. I hope you found this workaround helpful and can now unlock the full potential of TradingView's indicator. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comment box below. Thank you for watching and happy trading.